Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss acute dacryocystitis. What is acute dacryocystitis? Acute dacryocystitis is the inflammation of the lacrimal sac. What is the etiology of acute dacryocystitis? Acute dacryocystitis may arise de novo, or more commonly it occurs after the nasolacrimal duct obstruction. The most important causative agents, that is Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus and Pneumococcus, are responsible for causing pyogenic dacryocystitis. Now, what are the symptoms of dacryocystitis? These include painful redness, swelling at the medial canthus and epiphora. On examination, you can see swelling at the medial canthus and tenderness at this site. Regurgitation test, that is a test in which we press the lacrimal sac and pus comes out through the punctum. It is difficult to perform because of this tenderness. Mucopurulent or purulent discharge is seen on the side of the medial canthus. Abscess formation occurs, and in most cases rupture of this abscess occurs. Here you can see lacrimal sac abscess, and you can see that this is lacrimal sac abscess, and here lacrimal sac is ruptured and pus comes out. Now, what are the complications of acute dacryocystitis? The complications of acute dacryocystitis are periseptal cellulitis and external fistula formation. These are the complications of acute dacryocystitis. What is the treatment for this infection? In case of treatment, we have two options. First one is conservative treatment and the second one is surgical treatment. In conservative treatment, we use antibiotics, local or systemic can be given, analgesics to relieve inflammation and pain, and hot fomentations. What is the benefit of hot fomentation? Hot fomentation gives soothing effect and enhances the resolution process. The next option is surgical treatment. Surgical treatment includes incision and drainage of the abscess. If there is any abscess, and the second surgical approach is DCR, dacryocystotomy. rhinostomy. It is a surgical approach that is used to treat the acute dacryocystitis. This is all about the acute dacryocystitis.